5.1 is called the unit circle. Okay, just to refresh your memory, because some of you probably forgot, the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The center of the circle is hk. The radius is r. When we talk about the unit circle, it has a radius of 1, which is why it's called a unit circle. It's 1 unit. And the center is 0, 0. So therefore the equation is x squared plus y squared equals 1. So, let's say you want to see if a point is on the unit circle. You have to test the point. Okay, so is negative 1/2 square root of 3 over 2 on the unit circle?
No. Hold on.
You have to test the point. So you're going to put it in this equation, x squared plus y squared. So you say negative 1/2 squared plus square root of 3 over 2 squared equals, and we need to figure out if it equals 1, then it's going to work. If it doesn't, then it won't. So then it won't be on the unit circle. So
Calculator.
no, you should be able to do this without your calculator. What is, excuse me, what is negative 1 squared?
1/4.
1 over 2 squared is 4. Plus, when you square the bottom, you're going to get 4. What happens when you square square root? Goes away. So we have 1/4 plus 3/4
equals 1.
is 4/4. That's correct, and it equals 1. So the answer is yes. I can wait for you guys. No problem. Alright, second example. Say, it says find the y coordinate of 1/9 y if the point is on the unit circle.
So the radius equals 1.
That's correct.
Then.
So again, we're going to plug this in. So 1/9 squared
Is 1 over plus y squared.
plus y squared equals 1. Okay, so 1/9 would be 1 over 81 plus y squared equals 1. So what do we do? Subtract 1 over 81 from both sides. So y squared equals 80 over 81. Take the square root. What do you have to put?
Plus or minus.
Plus or minus. Good. So y equals square root of 80 over what?
Plus or minus 9.
Over 9, yeah, so we should put plus or minus out here, thank you. And then we're going to break down 80. Can break down into 8 and 10, 2 and 5, and 3 and 4 and 2, 2 and 2. This is the prime number factorization. That tells us we can take 2 2's out. So that would give us 4 on the outside, 4 root 5. So plus or minus 4 root 5 divided by 9. Now, The plus 1 would be 1/9 4 root 5 over 9. What quadrant is that going to be?
Alright, I'm getting lost here.
Well, plus or minus.
So, well, if I use the positive one, which quadrant is this in? Positive and positive would be in quadrant what?
Top right.
1. If they're both positive, it's going to be in quadrant 1. If the second one is negative,
It's going to be in quadrant 2.
hang on, please. If one is if one is positive, because the x one is positive, and the other one is negative, right? Which quadrant is this in? If the x is positive and the y is negative, the fourth.
I was just gonna say, move up the X and
Yeah.